Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Vince. Welcome back to another daily scam exposure video. Guys, today we are trying out Dicy Queen. That is right, Dicy Queen has been hitting the Play Store market heavily with ads, guys, promising you, the viewer, real life money, massive rewards for your credit cards, your finances. Dude, this app promises it all. Let's find out what it's all about. I've done some snooping on the Play Store, and let me just tell you, everyone, this app is absolutely a sham. It's a scam, everyone. Do not give in to Dicy Queen's persuasion of being rich fast, okay? Pretty much, this app will throw all type of video ads at you. I just pressed an exit button then, right? And it just gave me an ad straight away. Even though there was another prompt to watch an ad. I decided to not watch the ad, and yet here I am watching an ad. This is the first sign that the app developers are shady. Absolutely shady. Now, the cash outs. Here we go again. 5 million gems equals 50 real life dollars. $100 equals $100. Yeah, thanks for that app. I can understand that. That's obviously the in-game currency, by the way. And by the way, please hit like and subscribe and drop a comment telling me what you think about Dicy Queen. Your input, guys, helps my channel grow. We are growing rapidly thanks to you amazing viewers out there. Be a part of the scam busting squad, okay? Hit subscribe. Now, 100 cards of Amazon equals 500 Amazon gift card. Lucky 7, 150 times equals 1,000 Amazon gift card. 200 fruits equals $10,000 reward in American currency. Dude, if that's not the biggest giveaway that your app's an absolute joke and a scam, and it's an absolute fix, the whole thing is one big fix. Seriously, it's just disgraceful. Come on, guys, you really think you really think you're gonna get 10 grand from 200 fruit? Seriously? Oh look, congratulations, 3 Amazon gift card. Nice, everyone. Look. Oh, yes. I just need 100 more. Oh, no, not 100 more. I just need 96 more. Now, you read the reviews of what real-life players have said about this app. Dude, they are so angry, everyone. You have no idea how mad people are at Dicy Queen. Seriously, like, as you can see, what we're doing right now is moving across the board here. It's kind of like Monopoly. So, I just press spin. Let's just get this straight. I press skin then, okay? Like, skin. I press spin. It didn't do anything, and now it's prompting me for an ad to press spin again. Dude, are you that desperate for me to watch an ad on your pathetic app? Seriously. I mean, dude, like, come on, bro. Like, it's funny to me because I get ads here on YouTube, right? I get paid if you guys watch my advertisements, right? Because it helps me grow and it helps me create content. These guys, we're watching these pathetic ads, and do you know what's happening, everyone? They're getting money to create more scam apps. That's all that's happening right now. I feel like such a fool. I am such a fool for playing this app. That's all I can tell you guys. No one should subject themselves to this absolute disgrace. It's just, it makes me infuriated. I'm angry. I'm just angry. I've tried almost 100 of these apps, guys. You wait till I hit 100 apps. I'm going to do a massive special episode, dude. Seriously. Here we go. Now I get to spin the wheel. What do I get? 500 coins, which means nothing. The coins mean nothing. It's a joke. Another ad. Dude, if you can't tell that Dicy Queen is a scam, no app should give you this many ads. Ever. You see ads on my video because I'm trying to grow as a YouTuber to make this a full-time job. These guys are just literally scamming you guys. I love these apps, by the way. I'm going to play all these apps. I'm just going to rip them all to shreds. My job here on YouTube, if you guys are watching me for the first time, what? You get 66 real life dollars. Okay. I got 66 real life dollars at the drop of a hat. Right, I didn't even do anything, bro. Anyway, besides the point. People in real life are leaving reviews saying they get to $99 or $95 and the app never pays out. Don't trust the 5-star reviews that these guys have bought with real life money from bots. Okay, the 5-star reviews are all bought and purchased for by like robots. Okay, please do not get it twisted, everyone. I got $1.80 from the magic wheel here. Save in the wallet. Okay, I don't want to save it in my wallet. Dude, you have to watch an ad. Oh my lord, where's the exit? It's forcing you to watch an ad every time you go and spin that wheel. Hey, look, there's Bitcoin, guys. Crypto. Trade crypto easily. Okay, what is this? This is a crypto ad. Free leverage usage. Yeah, anyway, besides the point, that's a whole nother saga. Crypto trading is a whole nother saga I'll have to get into one day on my channel. If you don't know what my channel is all about, guys, pretty much I cover finances, okay? So, yeah, I try to save you guys money and time. Don't waste your time by playing these scam apps. They're programmed to take your time, which you could be using to actually get real life money, okay? I'm so mad. I'm not going to spin that wheel again. It's going to force me to watch another ad. No, thank you. So I got a sign-in bonus. Watch an ad. Dude, I have to watch an ad to get the sign-in bonus. And I can't. How come I can't close it? I don't want to watch an ad. Oh my god, how freaking scummy of a thing is that? Dude, I had to like press random buttons to get off that screen just then. It literally had the play symbol for an ad. It would have played an ad if it could. I'm just... Ugh, it makes me infuriated. You guys should be angry as well. You're all getting scammed, bro. I pressed escape and it makes me watch an ad. Why? Why? What do you have to lose, man? Like, if you're that desperate and scummy of an app developer, what do you have to lose anymore? No wonder they don't care. Google's not doing anything to stop them. I mean, there's no like regulation here. These guys are promising real life money and never delivering. And if they do deliver it, it's about one person out of 1,000 or 100,000. I have yet to see an app come to me, a developer come to me, right? And say, look, here's the evidence. I've paid out every single one of my people that I've requested a payout. I'm yet to see it, everyone, okay? Legitimately, I've never seen anyone offer me evidence. So I press escape, another ad. This is the big... Guys, you want to know how to tell the scam app. When an ad comes up every 2 seconds, okay? You might get ads on my... As I said, you might get ads on my video. Like, I usually put about 3 ads in my video to help me become a full-time YouTuber. But that's because I'm creating content. I'm here showing you guys what's going on every single night. 3 videos a night, dude. I hammer out content to show you these pathetic apps. And I hope to God that Google bans these things as soon as possible. This is an absolute joke, okay? No one should try Dicy Queen. No one ever should give in to this muppet of an app, okay? Look, give us 5 stars. No, 1 to 4 stars. Stupid, stupid application, dude. I'm just angry. Look, you even have prizes here as well. Scratch prizes. Let's press escape. Another ad. Oh my god. Look at this. Look at this trash. Pops Connect. Oh my god. Look at these trash apps, man. $2 million prize. I'm so done. I'm so done as a human being. These idiot developers are offering me $2 million in real life money, apparently, to scratch this. You really think that you have $2 million, developers? Maybe from scamming hard-earning people out there and honest people. Let's scratch this, everyone. Let's win $2 million, bro. I'm about to just smash my computer up, honestly. Alright, everyone. I don't think I'll ever try this app again unless you guys want me to. Stay away from Dicy Queen. The app reviewers have reviewed this app and said it's a total scam, and I agree. Just by looking at the concept and how much they're trying to force ads on you, it's obviously a scam, okay? Stay safe out there, everyone. Thank you very much for watching. Check out my channel for other scam busting videos. See you later.